Everybody, this is Matthew, and this is quickly how to run a Instagram boosted post. So you can market a upcoming broker open or open house or listing or whatever. For me, part of it starts with having a good audience, followers and following other people back and engaging so that every once in a while you can run an ad. And so normally you start off here in the home page with whatever's going on in your stream. We're going to click over here in the far right bottom corner where it has down here where we have the little person there. That's your profile, and then you can find the post that you've made here. Now, I am running Instagram as a business account, so there might be some like insights and things are a little different, but it's real simple. You're going to go pick a graphic that you've shared. It could be an ad or whatever that you want to promote, and then we're going to click on promote, and I want more site traffic, and then I can click on edit to put in the URL I want. This is defaulting to my web page, but maybe I want to learn more and put the link I have for the education class sign up or the open house or my listing or whatever it is, and then click on done, and then go to next. And then you want, depending on what you're looking for, local people, if you're a real estate agent, again, this is also for those of you who are setting up training or promoting some class, you can go to automatic where Instagram will pick the people it wants to go to. And then we're going to click our budget. This is super cheap. And so the more, of course, the more money you put in it, the more Instagram promotes it, more people it gets in front of. So we're going to say maybe $3 a day. And we're just going to run this for about 5 days. Right there, we just slide those bars over and hit next. And then it's going to let you look at what you're promoting and where it's going and how it is, and then hit create promotion. It'll ask for your credit card and you're all done. So it's pretty simple and straightforward, and there's a huge audience there, so it's well worth the time and money to run your ad there. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or comment below, and I will be happy to get back in touch with you.